I think that's it. I don't see anything. I was hoping to see something melting. I see this is this black line is something, you know, somebody has to investigate, but it's beyond my limits. I don't know what's the values. I don't know how to feed this power and check these pins. I really don't know. And remember, the issue with this transmission control module was intermittent. It was happening, not happening, happening while driving, happening while stopping, not happening. So it's hard to tell. All these lines are connected properly. I don't see anything that would let me think, you know, tell me this is good or this is bad. I don't know. Could be this part, could be this part. Most probably this part. All the extra stuff are just, you know, delivery to the command. This is what commands the, you know, the action, whatever it is. But here it is, you know. I'm pretty sure some of you guys will have questions that I also have, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to answer the questions. But if it's any question related to how to take this off, you know, write in a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the you know, notification button, the bell, to get more videos, more notification about my videos. I really appreciate it. I have one more last check and thought to share with you guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to check continuity between, you know, this harness and the main the central piece. My keys. Go ahead. Alright, let's start. So test your leads. Okay, let's start with the first pin. I know it should be somewhere here, but I'm gonna start with all of them. Okay, so the black one that I didn't like is the first pin and the connector, the first to the right, and here it is not the broken one, or not the, you know, the empty one or the neglected one. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Is that 7? No. 8 9 10. The 7th one is the other black one that I discovered when I flipped it. But the 10th one, the 10th is this one. Now let me see, let me check. If I move it, what does it do? By the way, it's reading point 2. If you guys are interested, let me see. Let me do this way. Yeah. So 0.2. Let me compare it with the one next to it. Oh, okay, that's another interesting. That 10th pin is first one, second one, 0.2, third one, no, first one, second one, third one, no, fourth one, no, fifth one, no, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, now let me see if the one next to it has continuity with 2 pins, just like the 10th one. If not, I think the black stuff, that building inside. Now I have a theory. The black stuff inside, when the transmission warm up, you know, this some kind of, you know, debris material, whatever it is, you know, becomes you know, able to, you know, transfer power. So, but now it's not hot, it's cold. I don't know, we'll keep checking. Okay, so the 10 with 1 and 2, 3, no, sorry, 10 with 3, no, with 2, yes, with 1, yes. Okay, how about, let's start from the beginning. No, go back. 9, first, no, second, third, yes, fourth, no. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Now, the way this is set up, I see the lines coming from here to here to here. So this corner is closer to this corner. These two close to each other, or the lines coming this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure between here and here, and then work my way until I get to that black one at pin number 10. So this one, the one that, you know, half, you know, short sleeve, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna neglect that. Although, let me see if it has any continuity with, no. Okay, so starting with the first, 1 with 1, yes, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5, no, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9, no, 10, no. Okay, 2, 1, no, 2, yes. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have to bother you with my voice. It's not a great one anyway. 3, 1, no, 2, no, 3, yes. So 3, 3. The rest, no. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, no, 2, no, 3, no, 4, yes. 5, no. Okay. Why is that? Okay. This is weird. Okay, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 has a touch with 4 and not with 5. Okay, let's go. 6. 1, no, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5. Yes. Look like it skipped one. Okay, so 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. 6 with 5 here. Okay. So 4 and 5 here with 5 here. 4 and 5 here with 4 here. and then 6 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 here with number 5 only. Alright, 7. 7. No, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 50% black one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7 was 6. 7 was 6. 4 5 yeah, 6. 7 was 6. Now 8. 8 was 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 8 was 7 only. And 9 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 9 with 8. 9 with 8 and 10. 1 2 10 is the black one. 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, these two I think here. Oh, there's more than. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what the heck, as my daughter say. I wish I can clean this. I can't. I can't take this off. You know what, after looking at it here, I don't know if you guys see. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see it, but let me see if I can. Hold on, let me do something with it. Here, line, this black line splits to 2 here. So that's why it's with 9 and 10. So my theory is garbage so far. And 2 3 4. I don't see a fork here. Alright, let me try something. You guys see the fork now. But the other one, I don't see the fork. The other one that had connectivity with 2 line. Is it possible? Oh, okay, that's why here. Here, they are common here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 5, they come in here. I don't see any cut in these lines. I don't see anything. Okay, how about here? Here. Everything seems to be as it should be. I think that's it. I think the reason why I put the recording back on, because I'm like, let me see continuity here, and if I see anything, you know, off, what I will do is I'll just bring my solder gun and, but you know, bring a like a thin wire to as a jumper to, you know, bypass this built-in and make my own you know, external line to the connector. That was my only hope. Yeah, you know, everything seemed look, you know, looking fine. Like here, I can see them. I mean, they're not thin. You can see if there is a cut in one of these lines, you will see it. You will see it. But I don't think there's anything here. The reason why I stopped at this one because this is 1.3 ohm. Is this supposed to be that high? Let me see. Okay. 1.3, 1.4. Okay, the reason why I'm reading 1.3 ohms, because if you trace this line here, you will find out that it is this one, see, 0.2. So 0.2 from here to here, but when I go here, 1.3 actually it is from here inside and to the outside. So inside here there is a resistance, you know, value 1.3. I thought I found something, but no. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna put everything back together and give it to the owner. Tell him, you know, on behalf of my viewers, thank you so much, and good luck with the transmission. At some point I will give you guys an update if they are going to buy a whole transmission or just a transmission control module replacement, and what's the repair. Thanks a lot again for watching. Don't forget the bell.